How to see library tab on YouTube. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up this step. So open up your YouTube app, and then once you open up your YouTube app, in order to see your library tab, you may tap on the bottom right corner of your screen to open up a profile. And then once you open a profile, you may go ahead and tap on this view all section, this playlist right here. And this is your library tab. Along with that, you'll be finding your video section and your downloads. So if you have uploaded any videos, you'll be finding option called your videos. Tap on it to look for the uploads that you've done. Similarly, we have the option of downloads. You may tap on downloads in order to look for the video that you've downloaded. Along with that, we have get YouTube Premium and your movies option. If you have those, you may look out for those in this library section. So that is how you see your library tab on YouTube very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.